Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update for Wednesday 8th of June. And right now, let's look at SLP and what is going on. We still haven't really lost the parallel channel, and we are still finding support right over at the bottom side of the parallel channel. So it's a good thing that last time you actually came down here, and I was telling you about this in the previous videos, that you still are not closing below this parallel channel. Is there a way that you can close below it, go down, close below it, and then you start to move to the 392? It's always a possibility. So what you want to see for SLP basically is that it never comes down to lose the 498. If you start to come down, lose the 498, close below it, and then that's going to be very, very bad, really dangerous for us to say that, oh, we're looking good, because look at this, one touch right over here, second touch right over there, and then you have third touch right over here. Losing this one is actually going to take you down to this next price technical target of 394. But I still believe there's a possibility that this is some sort of a sideways, what do you call this, bearish rectangle, and I've talked about this one in the previous videos. So you take the top to the bottom, and I think if it starts to break it, then you're breaking out of a bearish rectangle, and you might see this thing coming down to 241, and that will be huge dumps to the downside as well. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.